Hello viewers, welcome to our channel Career Prep. In this video, you'll learn about letter coding with the help of a few solved problems. Letter coding is one of the most important topic in the reasoning section of the competitive exams. This topic is considered to be quite important and every year a number of questions are asked from this topic. In letter coding, the real alphabets in a word are replaced by certain other alphabets according to a specific rule to form its code. You have to detect the common rule and then answer the questions accordingly. In this video, you'll learn how to solve letter coding questions in a very easy and quick manner. Before we start, please subscribe to our channel. Also press the bell icon to get notification as soon as we post a new video. So let's start. In a certain code, tiger is written as QDFHS. How will fish be written in the same code? So here you are given 5 answer options and you have to find out which of these answer options is the correct one. Now, when you look at the word tiger and its code QDFHS, you'll see that first the letters of the word tiger is reversed. So TIGER is reversed to get REGIT. Now subtract 1 from each alphabet of REGIT. So R minus 1 is Q, E minus 1 is D, G minus 1 is F, I minus 1 is H, and T minus 1 is S. So REGIT becomes QDFHS. Now use the same logic to find the code for the word fish. First, write the reverse order of the letters of the word fish. So FISH becomes HSIF. Now subtract 1 from each alphabet of HSIF. So H minus 1 is G, S minus 1 is R, I minus 1 is H, and F minus 1 is E. So HSIF is GRHE. So the code for fish is GRHE. The correct answer is option B, GRHE. If frozen is coded as OFAPSG, how will molten be written in the same code? So here you are given 5 answer options and you have to find out which of these answer options is the correct one. Now when you look at the word frozen and its code OFAPSG, you will see that first you have to reverse the letters of the word frozen. So FROZEN when reversed becomes NEZORF. Now add 1 to each alphabet of NEZORF. So N plus 1 is O, E plus 1 is F, Z plus 1 is A, O plus 1 is P, R plus 1 is S, and F plus 1 is G. So NEZORF becomes OFAPSG. So the code for frozen is OFAPSG. So using the same logic, find the code for the word molten. So first reverse the letters of the word molten. So MOLTEN becomes NETLOM. Now add 1 to each alphabet of NETLOM. So N plus 1 is O, E plus 1 is F, T plus 1 is U, L plus 1 is M, O plus 1 is P, M plus 1 is N. So NETLOM becomes OFUMPN. So the code for the word molten is OFUMPN. So the correct answer is option C, OFUMPN. In a coding system, pen is written as NZO and bark is written as CTSL. How can we write prank in that coding system? So here you are given four answer options and you have to find out which of these answer options is the correct one. Now when you look at the letters of the word prank, you'll see that these letters are found either in pen or in the word bark. So here the coding is very direct. Sometimes such direct coding is also given. So to answer these types of questions, just write whatever is given in the question in the tabular form. So PEN is written as NZO. BARK is written as CTSL. Now using this information, find the code for prank. So here P is written as N, R is written as S, A is written as T, N is written as O, and K is written as L. So the code for prank is NSTOL. The correct answer is option C, NSTOL. Using a particular code, Hilton is encrypted as IHTLNO. Choose the right option for billion coded in the same form. So here you are given 5 answer options and you have to find out which of these answer options is the correct one. Now when you look at the word Hilton and its code IHTLNO, you'll see that the letters of Hilton are grouped together in pairs of 2 to get HILTON. Now these letters are interchanged to get IHTLNO. HI is interchanged as IH, LT is interchanged to get TL, and ON is interchanged to get NO. So the code for Hilton becomes IHTLNO. So using the same logic, find the code for the word billion. First group the letters of the word billion in pairs of 2 to get BI, LL, IO, and N is the only one letter which is left over. Now interchange the letters in these groups. So BI becomes IB, LL becomes LL, IO becomes OI, and N you can keep it as it is. So you get the code for billion as IB, LL, OI, N. So the correct answer is option C, IBLLOIN. Using a particular code, addition is written as IDETNOI. How will medical be written in the same code? So here you are given 5 answer options and you have to find out which of these answer options is the correct one. So look at the word addition and its code IDETNOI. Here you can divide the word into 3 plus 1 plus 3 letters. The first 3 letters are then reversed. The middle letter is kept as it is and the last 3 letters are again reversed. So the first 3 letters in the word addition is EDI. These 3 letters are reversed to get IDE. The middle letter is T, which is kept as it is. The last 3 letters are ION, which are again reversed to get NOI. So the word addition becomes IDETNOI. So using the same logic, find the code for the word medical. Divide the word medical into 3 plus 1 plus 3 letters. That is, you'll get MED plus I plus CAL. Reverse MED to get DEM. Reverse CAL to LAC. Keep I as it is. So, medical is written as DEM I LAC. So, the correct answer is option E, DEM I LAC. If pilot is written as LIPTO, then how will Mason be written in the same code? Here you are given 4 answer options and you have to find out which of these answer options is the correct one. Look at the word pilot and its code LIPTO. You will see that the third letter of the word pilot, which is L, has become the first letter of the code. Then the first 2 letters of pilot, that is PI, are written in reverse order. So PI becomes IP. Then the last 2 letters OT of pilot is written in the reverse order uh, as TO. So the code for pilot is LIPTO. Pilot is written as LIPTO. Use the same logic to find the code for Mason. In the word Mason, S is the third letter. That becomes the first letter of the code. Then the first 2 letters MA are reversed to get AM. The last 2 letters are reversed to get NO. ON becomes NO. So Mason can be written as SAMNO. So the correct answer is option A, SAMNO. If book is coded as KOOB, then how will stamp be coded? Here you are given 4 answer options and you have to find out which of these answer options is the correct one. Look at the word book and its code KOOB. You'll see that clearly the letters of the word book are reversed to form its code. So book is coded as KOOB. Similarly, stamp will be coded as PMATS. The letters of the word stamp are reversed to get the code PMATS. The correct answer is option B, PMATS. Using a particular code, fashion is written as FOIHSAN. How will problem be written in the same code? Here you are given 5 answer options and you have to find out which of these answer options is the correct one. Look at the word fashion and its code FOIHSAN. You will see that the first and the last letters remain unchanged in the code. The remaining letters A, S, H, I, O are reversed to get OIHSA. So fashion becomes FOIHSAN. Use the same logic to find the code for problem. So let P and M remain as it is in the code. The rest of the letters R, O, B, L, E are reversed to get E, L, B, O, R. So problem is coded as PELBORM. So the correct answer is option C, PELBORM. If spank is coded as PSNAK, then what is throw coded as? Here you are given 4 answer options and you have to find out which of these answer options is the correct one. Now to solve this question, you have to assign numbers to the letters of the word and move them like the given word. So assign numbers to the letters of the word spank. So S is given the number 1, P is given the number 2, A is given the number 3, N is given the number 4, and K is given the number 5. Now the code of spank is PSNAK. The number for P is clearly 2. P is given the number 2. The next letter in the code is S. The number given to S is 1. The next letter in the code is N. The number given to N is 4. The next letter in the code is A. A is given the number 3. K is the next letter in the code and K is given the number 5. So PSNAK is 21435. Now you have to apply 21435 this sequence to the word throw to get the code of the word throw. So the letters of throw are THROW. The sequence is 21435. So the first number is 2 and the second letter in the word throw is H. So 2 corresponds to H. The next number is 1. The first letter in throw is T. So 1 is T. The next number is 4. The fourth letter in the word throw is O. So 4 is O. The next number is 3. The third letter in the word throw is R. So 3 is R. The next number is 5. So the fifth letter in the word throw is W. So 5 is W. So 21435 is HTORW. So the code for throw is HTORW. So the correct answer is option D, HTORW. Using a particular code, mouse is coded as NQXWJ. How is clock coded in the same code? Here you are given 5 answer options and you have to find out which of these answer options is the correct one. Now to answer this question, it's better to write the word mouse and its code in a tabular form like this. So write MOUSE and its code NQXWJ in the first and the third rows respectively. Now clearly you can see that M plus 1 is N, O plus 2 is Q, U plus 3 is X, S plus 4 is W, E plus 5 is J. Now use this sequence of numbers to the word clock to get the code word for the code for clock. So write CLOCK in the first row of the table. Write the sequence you got here in the second row. So write plus 1, plus 2, plus 3, plus 4 and plus 5 here. So now C plus 1 is D. L plus 2 is N. O plus 3 is R. C plus 4 is G. K plus 5 is P. So clearly the code for clock is DNRGP. So the correct answer is option D, DNRGP. Using a particular code, God is coded as TLW. How is temple coded in the same code? So here you are given 5 answer options and you have to find out which of these answer options is the correct one. Look at the word code and its code TLW. Clearly you'll see that opposite letters are used as the code. So to find the opposite letters, the easiest and way is to subtract the position value of the given letter from 27, and the number you get is the position value of the opposite letter. So first write G, O, D in the first row. Now the position value of G is 7. Subtract 7 from 27. You will get 20. The letter whose position value is 20 is T. Similarly, the position value of O is 15. Subtract 15 from 27. You will get 12. And the letter whose position value is 12 is L. Similarly, the position value of D is 4. Subtract 4 from 27. You will get 23. The letter whose position value is 23 is W. So GOD is coded as TLW. Here opposite letters are used as the code. Now apply the same logic to find the code for temple. Write T, E, M, P, L and E. Now the position value of T is 20. Subtract 20 from 27, you will get 7. The letter whose position value is 7 is G. The position value of E is 5. Subtract 5 from 27, you will get 22. The letter whose position value is 22 is V. The position value of M is 13. Subtract 13 from 27, you will get 14. The letter whose position value is 14 is N. The position value of P is 16. Subtract 16 from 27, you will get 11. The letter whose position value is 11 is K. The position value of 12 of L is 12. Subtract 12 from 27, you will get 15. The letter whose position value is 15 is O. The position value of E is 5. Subtract 5 from 27, you will get 22. And the letter whose position value is 22 is V. So TEMPLE is coded as GVNKOV. So the correct answer is option B, GVNKOV. In a code language, solid is written as WPSLPIMFHA. What does the code ATEXXQIBVO refer to? So here you are given 5 answer options and you have to find out which of these answer options is the correct one. Now look at the word code and look at the word solid and its given code WPSLPIMFHA. Clearly you can see that the word is obtained by moving the letters at even numbered positions in the code 3 steps forward and omitting those at odd numbered positions. First write the given code in the first row of a table. So write WPSLPIMFHA in the first row. Now since W is in the odd numbered position, omit W. P is in the even numbered position, so move 3 steps forward. P plus 3 is yes. Omit yes as it is in the odd position, odd numbered position. Next is L plus 3 is O. Omit P. Next is I plus 3 is L. Omit M. Next is F. F plus 3 is I. Omit H. Next is A. A plus 3 is D. So clearly WPSLPIMFHA is nothing but SOLID, which is solid. Use, use the same logic to the code ATEXXQIBVO. Here A is in the odd numbered position, so omit A. Next letter is T. T plus 3 is W. Omit E. X plus 3 is A. Omit X. Next letter is Q. Q plus 3 is T. Omit I as it is in the odd numbered position. Next letter is B. B plus 3 is E. Omit V. Next letter is O. O plus 3 is R. So ATEXXQIBVO is nothing but WATER, which is water. So the correct answer is option A, water. Viewers, please go through this video till you have understood the concept. Practice more problems on this topic to get a good idea of the concept and also to increase your speed. Please do watch a video on letter number coding for solved problems. If you have liked this video, please like, subscribe and share this video. Thank you.